What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you crypto exchange that does not require KYC and it's actually allow you to leverage trade on certain coin up to 500x. That's really crazy. I would never recommend to do that, but this exchange does offer that, and the best part, like I stated earlier, does not require KYC. If you're just starting out or if you're just trying to exchange and get some different coins that you cannot get on a decentralized exchange, or you're just learning how to get into crypto, this would be a great place to start. And before we're not gonna dive deep into this exchange, just want to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this is the website and this is the exchange, BTCC. So if you go to btcc.com, and I'm gonna leave a referral link in the description below, so that way you can just click on it and go here and register. The registration process is very simple. I'm not gonna go through it. You just put your email address, verify, and that's it. You're gonna be in. However, some of the functions might be limited. Like for example, you're gonna be able to either withdraw or something like 10,000 or 50,000 a day. If you want to increase that, you can do KYC, but KYC is not required. So once you're gonna come to this page, this is what you're gonna see: some offers or ads that this exchange is offering, and then some of the opportunities here. But we're just gonna go through this top panel and see what's out there. So right here you can do academy, you can learn, news, blog, support, and about us. But what you need to do, we need to take a look at deposit. So you can do fiat deposit, but if you decide to do fiat deposit like through credit cards or something, this is when you will have to do actual KYC. So if you already have a crypto, the best way is just to deposit crypto, press on it here, and then you can convert. So if you already have like a BTC or Ethereum or something, you can just convert here, and it's gonna be, if I'm not mistaken, 0 conversion fees. So you can do that here, and you can choose from which crypto to which, and then to USDT, so that way you can start trading. And then futures. So in here, this is where I was talking about certain coins can be traded up to 500x. So for example, BTC or Ethereum, Solana, XRP up to 500. Let's look at XRP. So if you open that up in here, you're going to be able to change 500x from 1 to 500. I would never recommend doing that, but you can, and you can just confirm. And then what you need to do, so you set to open, you set up everything how you want it to trade. We're not going to go into leverage trade details, but you can do it here: limit and then stop loss and take profit, and then open long or open short. And then we can go back here. Here's another option, and then CoinM. So this is from USDT and this is CoinM, and also they have demo trading, so you can get just virtual funds. They're not real. If you're just learning and you don't want to use your own money just for risk purposes, you're just trying to learn how to do that, this would be the best demo trading. They'll give you virtual money and you can leverage trade like on real market, and you can see if you're going to be able to do that or not. And then trading articles, then copy. So futures copy, you can copy somebody from leaderboard. Never done it before, but this is something also you can do. And then spot trading. So spot trading is one of my favorite things over here. So for example, if you got some kind of tokens that you would like to purchase, and they're on here, and they have a lot of them in here. If you will be scrolling down, you'll see a lot of very known coins, and some of them are like very new coins. They constantly adding them, so you can do that here. Like for example, Mana and USDT, and you can trade over here, just buy or sell. So if you have USDT, you can buy here, or if you have Mana and you want to sell, you can do that as well. So spot trading offers a lot. And then in here you can just go to here, all tokens, and scroll down. They have many tokens, and they keep adding all the time. So this exchange is really good, not just for leverage trade, but also if you need to make some kind of change, or you're deciding to invest to some kind of token that's maybe not available on maybe DEX or maybe on Coinbase or any other exchanges that you are using. So this is spots. Then benefits, you can do some campaign, VIP, and then referrals. This is what I'm doing, and then affiliate. And then over here on this right hand side, you can do the deposit. So if you, let's say, crypto deposit, this page is gonna appear, what you're depositing. In most cases, you're gonna be depositing USDT or Ethereum, XRP, BTC. Just choose that, Bitcoin, and then it's gonna give you address. You copy this address, you send money here, and then they're gonna appear in your wallet. So if you do assets here, you can take a look at crypto deposits, fiat deposits, convert, transfer, withdraw, my vouchers, withdraw fiat currency, fund history, and etc. So all that you can see through the assets. And if you press on here, it's gonna open up your basically wallet overview, and in here you're gonna be able to see what you have in your account, and you can hide with zero balance, or you can just leave everything here. But let's say if you would have Ethereum or something, it would be on top. And this is pretty much it. This is great exchange for beginners, for advanced users, if you like to either just to try with cryptocurrency or leverage trade, and you don't want to do KYC, this is a good start. Again, referral link I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.